Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming inputs and sample rates so nothing fights you later. Open OBS, go to Settings, Audio. Make sure global sample rate matches your interface, usually 48K HC. Then open Windows Sound, select your device, properties, advanced, and uncheck exclusive mode. This prevents apps from grabbing the device. Once done, restart OBS to lock settings. Next, set monitoring device in OBS Advanced Audio Properties. Choose the same physical output you use for headphones, so routes stay consistent. Now you measure and correct timing. Play a sharp test sound, clap or tone, and record a short clip while watching the waveform in OBS or a second device. Note the delay in milliseconds. Open Advanced Audio Properties for each source and enter a positive or negative sync offset in MS. Small increments matter. Make one change, retest, and repeat until lip sync and beats match. Also check any software mixers or virtual cables. Apply matching offsets there to keep everything aligned. Finish by locking your configuration and validating stability. Restart OBS and your audio interface so drivers reinitialize. This prevents intermittent drift. Monitor CPU and disk usage. High load can introduce latency, so close heavy apps or increase audio buffer size in your interface control panel. If latency persists, try lowering sample rate to 44.1 kHz or use OBS's audio buffering settings. Troubleshooting tip. If audio slowly drifts over long
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.